Okay, what is up everybody, and welcome back to another exciting video here on the Mosh channel. So first off, I want to apologize for a mistake I made yesterday. The video I uploaded, the Henderson Wetlands 4K, it uploaded to YouTube in 480p, and it was an amateur mistake and it won't happen again. This video will be in 4K and it's going to be a really good video. What we're doing today is I'm waiting on D to get here to the park. I'm out here at the local park right across the street. It's kind of gated off over here, as you can see, so we won't be able to use the whole sidewalk. But D is bringing the RC car, the RC buggy out, and I have the DJI FPV drone in my backpack, and we're gonna set it up. We're gonna set it all up, and we're gonna get some really cool shots from the DJI FPV of the buggy, and we're gonna get the buggy view with the GoPro Ion that we have. So it's gonna be a cool video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I won't do too much more talking. I'm waiting for D to get here, like I said, and then we'll start. So peace and love. Okay, I won't lie, I want to say one more thing. I really want to thank every single person who has helped us grow so fast. We are skyrocketing beyond my wildest dreams. We are at 444 subscribers, and our analytics are going up. They're going up and up and up, and I appreciate that. So anyway, I just want to thank you guys, and I'll talk to you after the video. Yeah.
Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. Some fake, then who gon' hurt this? I naughty night, you lullaby. I'm doing me, it's do or die. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights.
Shows you
Okay, y'all, I hope that was as fun for you as it was for me. It was very entertaining. We had a blast. And go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to be out here probably every day as long as it's not so windy, flying the drone around. So, see you guys then. Peace.